Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tuned in right now, you're catching the hottest action in crypto as we speak. Bard, the powerhouse token from Lombard Finance, just hit the Binance spot market like a Bitcoin-fueled rocket. This isn't just another memecoin pump. Bard is the governance kingpin for unlocking Bitcoin's full DeFi potential with their liquid staking beast, LBTC. That's already pulling in billions in TVL. Lombard raised a whopping $94.70 million in their presale. Yeah, you heard that right, nearly $100 mil. And now it's live, trading at $1.44 with a market cap exploding to $323.9 million on day one. Holders, just 485 so far, but liquidity's solid at $1.78 million, and FDV sitting pretty at $1.44 billion. This is the kind of launch that screams opportunity in the Bitcoin DeFi revolution. Look at this chart, it's pure adrenaline. That price line, it's ripping upward in a sharp blue surge, hitting $1.44, after kicking off around $1.05 earlier today. Volume bars are lighting up like fireworks, spiking to 230K units, showing real money pouring in as traders pile on post-Binance listing. The candlesticks are painting a bullish masterpiece. Big green bodies with those wicks telling tales of quick dips bought up instantly by the FOMO crowd. No breakdown here. Folks, this is a clean breakout, slicing through resistance like butter, with the 1-hour view showing steady climbs that have the whole DEX buzzing. EMA at 1.647. It's hugging the price from below like a supportive trendline, whispering keep climbing. And don't sleep on that MACD, the histogram's flipping positive, with the line crossing over the signal, screaming momentum that's got the entire Bitcoin ecosystem watching. RSI clocking in at 3.16. Wait, that's a glitch in the matrix from the launch frenzy. But the real vibe is overbought energy pushing boundaries without cracking. Bollinger Bands are widening just right, enveloping this rally in a volatility embrace that's all upside. Volume's the real hero, those orange bars towering as smart money rotates in, confirming this isn't hype, it's sustained fire. Bard's chart is the visual of Bitcoin finally flexing in DeFi. No wild dumps, just calculated pumps backed by heavy hitters like Galaxy and OKX securing the protocol, with LBTC integrating into AV, Pendle, and more. This token's utility is locked and loaded for yields that could make your portfolio sing. The setup, it's got that fresh launch glow, with the price coiling for more as community governance via the liquid Bitcoin Foundation ramps up grants and partnerships. Realistic talk. In this market, launches like this can 2x 5x quick if Bitcoin holds steady above 60K, especially with Binance's hodler airdrops drawing in the masses. Price prediction time, and I'm keeping it real. No crystal ball BS. Short term, over the next 24-48 hours, I see Bard testing $2 easy, riding this plus 36% wave to consolidate around $1.80. $2.20 as early whales take profits, but new buyers flood in. By end of week, if volume stays north of 200K and RSI chills without diving, we're eyeing $2.50, $3, potentially flipping that FDV narrative with real adoption. Longer haul next, 7-14 days. $4 isn't out of reach if Bitcoin DeFi narratives heat up. Think partnerships announcements, or LBTC TVL doubling. But watch for any macro dips. Support at $1.20 holds strong. This is high conviction. Upside fam, Bard's not just a token. It's the bridge to on-chain Bitcoin dominance. What do you think? Loading up or waiting for a pullback? Drop your takes in the comments. Smash that like button if you're bullish. And subscribe for more live breakdowns. Let's ride this wave together.